Hey scrappers, Tom here from the iScrap app. And it's the winter season, and even if you're not watching this in the winter, maybe you can learn something on how to make money during the winter. That's what you call preparation and studying. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can get lots of tips on how to make more money with your scrap. Now, during the winter, there are a lot of things that you can scrap. There are a lot of things that you may not think about that are going to go out there. During the summer, we talk about things like grills and lawnmowers. Now, I may not have a snowblower in front of me, but if you do see those snowblowers out there, they are excellent items to be able to scrap. Couple of really good tips. Scrap yards don't want gasoline or oil in them. So if you show up at my yard with those in them, we're not going to even take it for free because of environmental concerns and fire hazards. So when you find a snowblower, make sure you get it drained. Off of those snowblowers, sometimes they have aluminum parts, they have small amounts of copper wire, but largely you're just going to sell them as a shred item. Now, the next thing that you're going to look for is snow shovels. Generally, you have a nice base that's made out of metal, kind of like this one is. You know, these things get old. This is one that we use around here to kind of take salt and do a heave and a hoe all over the place. So you can use something like this, but they are a very common item. And once they break, you can't really use a broken snow shovel. Now, there's nothing like the holiday Christmas lights. Who loves these things? Not a lot of people, but once the bulbs break, it almost becomes cheaper, I've seen, for people to, just buy new ones. So generally after Christmas, that first couple of weeks of January, you're gonna see a lot of these bulbs out there. Now, we have other videos on Christmas lights that you can check out. You don't need to take these off. These are low-grade items, and please, scrappers, do not tell me that you're gonna strip this wire. I will quickly throw that out because that is a debunked myth. Do not strip Christmas lights. You don't make money there. Now, another item you're going to have inside of the Christmas season, a lot of heating elements are going to be going on. Copper pipes, unfortunately, are going to break. Things like furnaces. They go bad because of the heavy usage. So if you don't service them enough, you're going to see furnaces going out there. So hopefully it's not your furnace that's getting broken, but if you do go to do some scrapping, there are large pieces of copper that come off of these furnaces. So this is a piece of number 2. You can see the solder, but again, we have other videos where you can take something like this, clean it up. That's a piece of number 1 in between, but largely this is number 2 because of the solder and the different joints on there, but another good item. For those of you that don't like to take that snow blower and do the heavy crank and use the electric start, or you use an electric snow blower, you have your extension cords. But sometimes you forget the extension cords are out there. Whether you had them connected to your Christmas lights or you use them for something else, I hate to admit this, but I've run over extension cords with my snow blower in the winter season. So when you get extension cords and they have cuts on them, don't be the guy that uses a tape and splices it together. That's how fires are created. Sometimes you just gotta bite the bullet, cut the ends off of both, and that's another piece of wire that you can go and scrap. These extension cords are worth more than these Christmas lights. Don't put them in the same pile, but neither of these are items that you should be stripping. Now, scrappers, if you have extra time during the winter because you live in a really snowy, icy area, we talk about a lot of our videos saving things up for the winter time to take them apart. Now, if you like dismantling things like air conditioners or computer towers to upgrade those items, now is a great time to be able to do it. It could be electric motors, sealed units if you're pulling the copper out of them. And these are things that take time, but when you don't have spring cleanups and you're inside your garage, and maybe you want to escape from your family for a little while, these are great items to go in there, take apart, upgrade and make more money with. Check out our other videos on how to take air conditioners apart, how to take towers apart, what value is inside there, and those are going to be additional things that you can make money with. Other than that, scrappers, let us know other items that we may have missed on scrapping inside of the winter time. Check out our other videos on YouTube, and until next time, I'll scrap you later.